He makes these awesome signs. Look at this. You Peterbilt guys, Western Star, Freightliner. We got all the trucks here. Of course, we're at the Woodstock Truck Show. Dude, how you doing, man? That's right, that's a big 10-4. Hey, we got to give some shout-outs here for sure. Chris Howell, president of the Burford Fairgrounds. Thanks for letting us host the event here. Without you, I don't know where we'd be. 403 would be a lot of line up on the shoulder out there for sure. Big thank you to Sunrise Equipment for all your support and getting us equipment. CL Rautenberg and Son, thank you very much. And this one here, I'm going to apologize up front. Duvenvoorden Hollage, is that it? All right, Rob's going, oh yeah, that's perfect. Probably not. Big thanks to all the people that are volunteering and helping out. The Woodstock Truck Show team, thank you very much for all you do. We really do appreciate it. And we know that without this, things wouldn't go on.